Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete a comment on Google Sheets. So first of all, want to open Google Sheets. After opening it for deleting the comment, here you can see the comment here, and in that comment, here on the right you can see three dots. Click on that, and from here is an option you can see here delete. Click on that, or otherwise here on the top right corner you can see some options, and here is an option you can see here show all comments. Click on that, and from here you just need to choose the comment that you wanted to delete, and then here on the and after choosing the comment on the right side of that you can see three dots. Click on that, and here is an option you can see here delete. Click on that, and then again click on delete, and you can see that you had been deleted the comment on Google Sheets. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.